Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install Java JDK. To download Java JDK, uh, open the browser and type JDK. Then you can choose the first link here. And then here is here you can select the operating system that you use. I use Windows, so I choose or I press on the window and then choose the MSI installer, and I download the JDK 2-in-1 version, which is the latest version, and click here to download it. Then automatically the download is started here. The download until the download is completed, it takes some minutes, so you should please wait patiently. Normally I download the MSI installer. This MSI installer is MSI stands for Microsoft installer. This Java JDK is developed by the Microsoft company, which it indicates. Please wait. I think my network is low. Please wait until the download is completed. Please wait until the download is completed. All right, the download is completed, and then you can click on here and then click on the JDK to install it. Yeah, click yes, yes. Click on next and also next and yes. Normally the installation is started. Okay, normally now the installation is completed. The next step is a very important step. Uh, uh, we should create a variable for our Java JDK. So to create environment variable, uh, click on the start button and then type environment or environment enviro envir and then click on it is the system variable, and also you can simply type variable and then click the system environment variable and then click on the environment variable. Here we do two things. First, we should create our we create the environment variable for our JDK. To create the environment variable, click on the edit. No, first we should select our Java, our path, this path, and then click on the edit. Then we should come up the path of our Java or the location of our Java. To come up the location of our Java, go to the uh, drive C or local disk C, then click on the program files and go to the Java and then JDK and then bin. So here click on the copy the link, copy the path of our Java folder and then uh, go to here and create a new environment variable and paste it and click OK. Then the next important step here is to create a Java home. To create a Java home, click new and then give a name for our Java home, just like Java home. And then paste the path of our Java file. But here we should remove the bin part and then press OK and OK and then also OK. Normally the installation is completed. To check whether the installation is installed correctly or not, go to the Java path and here type cmd and hit enter, and the Java path, the JDK path is open here and type Java hyphen version. Then normally our Java or our JDK is installed correctly. So the Java version 21 is installed. Let's write a simple Java program that display a hello world message. Open Notepad and type a simple Java program that display hello world message. So system class public class hello world, then public class public static void main string args, and then the for and then open it and system dot out dot print ln inside quotation hello world. Save it. To save it, the file name and the class name should be the same. So uh, the class name, when we save we can save it here. The file name and the file name and the Java class should be the same, and save it. Then let's run it using cmd cd desktop top uh, cd java. Normally our Java program is located on the desktop in the Java folder, and then uh, to compile the Java program, Java C, then file name dot Java. And normally our Java program is compiled successfully. So to run our Java program, Java write this command. We can write this command Java, then file name. Normally the hello world message is displayed. Normally we can uh, download and install Java JDK in our machine. Look like this one. Thank you, guys. Please subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you.